ascertain the nature of the delivery of that ruling to allow this matter to proceed. We note that you have permitted the parties leave to appeal, and we support that. The respondents support a fair resolution of this dispute in accordance with the law, and therefore we would not oppose their right to appeal. Having said that, however, and in reference to my learned friend, Mr. PIKI Ponky, who has alluded to other petitions pending before court, it is the respondent's position that we should exhaust all matters today relating to the matter that has been called out by your clerk or your legal assistant. I apologize to the lady, so that we may exhaust that, after which the court will give directions on any other matter that may be before you or may be anticipated to come before you. We thank you.
My Lord, my Lady, on behalf of the National Assembly, I wish to express our gratitude for the very clear ruling that the court has delivered this afternoon. The ruling has dealt conclusively, not just with the matters that were contained in the application that was hurriedly filed and responded to yesterday afternoon, but indeed some of the other peripheral issues that the petitioners unfortunately took a lot of court time yesterday to deal with. My Lord, my Lady, the National Assembly has filed an application dated the 18th of October 2024. And I believe that application was referred to in the ruling a few moments ago. That application, subsequent to the ruling that you have just delivered, I submit is the next issue that the court should deal with. And just to put it on record, my Lord, that we are ready to proceed with that application this afternoon. Members of the court will recall that last week on Tuesday, on the 15th of this month, at an hour not very different to this, when it suited the petitioners to have their application for conservatory orders heard, they insisted on it being heard. And we request that the urgency in this matter remaining and having been noted by the court, we proceed with the hearing of that application, which has been fully responded to immediately after this. I'm most of that.
My Lords and your Ladyship, further to that, for Senate, I wish to state, my Lords and your Ladyship, that unlike the petitioners, you are willing to argue the application in a record 30 minutes.
Is it the same application?
Yes, the application dated 18th October 2024. We will only ask for 30 minutes to exhaust our application. We will dive straight into constitutional principles. We will not take much time. The respondents can have as much time as they want so that this matter can be concluded. My Lords, Mr. Kibe has talked about the gallery of Paul Muite Senior Counsel. From that side, it was apparent that they were not just addressing the court. They were addressing other matters.
Do we need to engage? Do we need to engage in arguments on that? Let us not go into that now.
I will withdraw that. But my Lord, we are ready to proceed.
We don't want to address something and then you say you withdraw it. You don't have to forcing the damage.
It's okay, my Lord.
We withdraw